totally matching. Awesome. Oh my gosh, I'm so proud of myself.
Hi Barbie dolls! I'm Azusa Barbie, Barbie lover in my childhood. Thanks for watching my video. Today's video is Barbie nail art video. Yay! The reason why I didn't say tutorial is because I'm not gonna really teach you how to do it. The design I wanna do today is there's no trick. Like you just gotta be patient and just draw it. That's it. But I just wanted to show you how I paint my nail. You know, hope you enjoy watching it. And oh my gosh, my nails right now look so gross. They gross me out. They're like so growing out. Oh my god, I don't want to show you. Yeah, they look so gross because I've been so busy like the last couple weeks because it's the holiday season and I've been just so busy. Yeah, that's my excuse. Anyway, I already got an idea about my nail design tonight. I got inspired by this Lesportsac Barbie collection. So I'm gonna do some design inspired by this print. So excited. Let's start.
Before I remove them, I'm gonna cut the lifted part. Like here, you see it's already lifting. So I'm gonna just cut them, clip off these lifted part. It looks like cuticle nipper, but it's not. It's acrylic nipper. Cuticle nipper is this one. It's slightly bigger than cuticle nipper. You see? I'm using nail drill. It's for professional use actually. I know, it's Barbie pink. This one is from Japan and it's totally for professional use only. It was like almost $400. I know it's pretty expensive. To file the surface, you can totally do by hand with using nail file. You know, like this. But today I'm using the machine. You know, I'm naturally left-handed, but when I do nails, I do with my right hand. So for doing nails, my right hand is dominant hand, but I can still do with my left hand because I do my nails all the time. When I do with my left hand, it might look kinda awkward, so, but don't make fun of me, okay? It sounds like dentist, right? Hi Barbie! You must be wondering how I remove this huge drill, right? So with this one, first of all, I use the corner, very corner of the drill and just file the edge part. But I'm not filing the surface of stone. I just need to make some ditch so I can clip off. Okay, now let's see. Did you see it? It comes out like this. When you took one of them, it's easy. See? It just popped. Then file the rest off. And now here's tin foil, tiny piece of cotton, acetone, and then wrap. Like this. And leave for like 10 minutes. Been a while. Let me remove. And now it's melting. Don't buff too much. If you buff too much, it will make the natural nails too thin. So don't do that. Now they're ready to put gel. So now my base color is ready. And here I have my purse, so I'm gonna paint with watching this. Ta-da! Oh my gosh! I love these! Look! Well, I mean, if you see really closer, some of them look kind of ugly, like this and this, but I really like this one. And, you know, when you see all of them, they look pretty, I think. They look really cool. Oh my gosh, I love them. It took forever, like, I don't know how many hours. It took like several hours. But yeah, I really like them. Oh my gosh. I love it. Look, totally matching. Awesome. Oh my gosh, I'm so proud of myself. Love my nails. Fresh nails.
Thanks for watching my video. I hope you like my video. Subscribe my channel and follow me on Instagram. Hope you have pink task. Hope you have pink task Barbie day. Bye.